The 10th episode of MF Ghost is mostly a break from racing. On the personal side, ipinagpatuloy ni Kanata yung search doon sa location na nandoon sa picture ng kanyang parents. And of course, a little bit on the love story side na rin. On the technical side naman, meron silang balak para i-upgrade yung Toyota 86. Unlike dun sa first round at saka qualifier na mayroong mga downhill at foggy sections na lamang si Kanata, doon sa round 2 circuit is mostly flat. Kaya sinuggest ni Ogata na i-upgrade yung engine ng 86 para tumaas yung power output nito. However, sabi ng engineer, wag na munang i-upgrade yung engine dahil baka maka-apekto raw ito dun sa driving style ni Kanata. So instead, in-upgrade nila yung ilalim ng 86, more specifically yung brakes and some other parts na hindi ko ma-explain since I'm not into car mechanics. So after the upgrade, tinest drive ni Kanata at Ogata yung 86. And as promised by the engineer, mukha namang mas bumilis nga yung 86. And at the end of the episode, it is hinted na mukhang magkakaroon ng impromptu race. It seems like Kanata will be challenged by Koki Sawatari. Now, Koki Sawatari, if tama yung pagkakaintindi ko, was ranked number 4 dun sa previous MFG race. Hindi siya nakasali for this round kasi tumapat sa birthday ng girlfriend niya yung araw ng qualifier. And that's a quick recap of episode 10 of MF Ghost.